Hi Beardy buddies, and welcome to the workshop. Today's project is to put this pig Perego back together. I didn't record when I was tearing it apart, but we had an issue where first gear and reverse weren't working. So I ordered a new one, and actually, believe it or not, just the motor was bad, but it was cheaper to get the motor and gearbox together than just a separate motor. So in today's episode, we're just going to put this back together and hopefully get this thing roadworthy again. So sit back and enjoy. So first we put the gearbox back in. Before I put this on, we're just going to slide these on, make sure everything's working the way I'd expect. So we'll go to first gear. Alright, we'll go to reverse. Alright, go to business so we can clip these wires on. And now where'd he go? Put these guys back on. All right, I think we have it. All right, we're gonna try. We got it all back together now, so we're gonna have them take it for a ride. Why don't you put it in reverse first?
Go?
Yeah. All right, now put it in first. Okay, now put it in second. Now put it in fast. Hey Beardy buddies, and welcome to the workshop. Today's episode I'm gonna clean up on this antique gas tank, which we got as part of that antique engine. And that project I'm not ready to start yet. However, since this gas tank was all rusty, I wanted to start the rust efforts on it first before it got any worse. So I've already been soaking it in some WD-40 rust preventative liquid. But right now, I wanted to take a wire brush and try to clean up as much rust as I could. Soak for a little bit, and we'll come back. Hi Beardy buddies, and welcome to the workshop. Today I had already started